This exercise is called the oblique side taps. You want to sit in your chair in the center, nice and upright so your back is not leaning up against the back of the chair. Place your feet flat on the ground, about shoulder width apart, and drop your hands to either side of your chair. From here, you want to stretch down to the side. You want to keep that shoulders back and your back nice and upright, gaze forward. But from here, you want to lean over, bringing your shoulder towards the ground as far as you can. If you can tap the ground, great. If you can't, that's okay. Just come as far as you can. Exhale as you come back up to the center. You're going to feel it in your sides, and that's where we want it. We're going to do either side and exhale as we come up.